Start your challenge, breaking the old mold, rewiring the system, new stories unfold.
Hello and welcome. I'm Impo VA, your Impo Wired virtual assistant. Let's rewire for maximum empowerment at work and in life. Today, we're diving into the neuropsychology of transformation, breaking free from old patterns. If you have ever felt stuck in the same habits or reaction despite your best effort to change, this is for you. Have you ever tried to change a habit, but no matter what, you keep slipping back into old ways? Maybe it's self doubt, overacting to stress, or struggling to make decisions. It's not just about willpower. Your brain is wired to follow familiar patterns even when they don't serve you. But the exciting part, you can rewrite. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Let's talk about neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to change. Think of it like a hiking trail. The more you walk a path, the clearer it gets. If you stop using it, nature takes over and it fades. Your thoughts work the same way. Keep reinforcing negative beliefs and they become automatic. Shift your thinking and you create new pathways that support confidence and success. Feeling stuck is not a life sentence, it's just an old neural pattern. And just like a muscle, your brain strengthens whatever you practice most. I used to be terrified of public speaking. My heart would race, my voice would shake, and my mind would go blank. That fear felt automatic because it was. My brain had wired public speaking equal danger. But I started small, speaking in low pressure settings. Each time I succeeded, even just a little, my fear based pathway weakened. Over time, my brain rewired. Now, instead of fear, I feel confident and excited to speak. The key, new experiences create new neural connections. Your brain is not just shaped by what you think, it is also shaped by your emotions and past experiences. Your mindset influences how you see the world. The prefrontal cortex handles logic, while the limbic system drives emotions. And beneath it all, your subconscious runs deep rooted habits. Emotions play a huge role. The amygdala reacts before logic kicks in, and strong emotional experiences carve deep neural pathways. When you keep reacting the same way, those pathways become your brain's go to response. But awareness is the first step to change. Let's say you grew up hearing, we can't afford that, it's too expensive. That belief gets wired in, linking money to struggle. Fast forward to adulthood, your subconscious follows the same pattern. Even if you are financially stable, you might hesitate to invest, feel guilty spending, or avoid opportunities. Your logical brain knows you are secure, but your emotional brain still associates money with fear. This internal tug of war keeps you stuck. until you shift the wiring. So, how do you break free? First, recognize triggers. Notice situations where old patterns take over, like anxiety when receiving feedback. 2. Create space. Pause before reacting. Even just naming the emotion helps engage your logical brain. 3. Reframe your thoughts. Challenge limiting beliefs. Instead of this is a disaster, shift to this is a challenge I can handle. And 4. Take action. Small, consistent steps build confidence and reinforce new pathways. Rewiring doesn't happen overnight, but daily practices speed up the process. Affirmations. Repeating positive statements trains your brain to accept them as truth. Visualization. Your brain treats imagined success like real experience, strengthening those pathways. Gratitude. Focusing on what gets going well shifts your perspective from lack to abundance. Mindfulness and meditation. It helps you respond rather than react, strengthening the logical part of your brain. These simple shifts, done consistently, create long lasting change. Your brain is not fixed, it is shaped by your experiences, thoughts, and emotions. The patterns that once held you back, they were built through repetition and they can be rewired. Every time you challenge a limiting belief, regulate an emotional reaction, or make an empowered choice, you are reshaping your brain. So, what new possibilities open up when you stop letting old patterns run the show? Thanks for listening and see you in the next video.
Each little choice, start to believe how your mind learn how to achieve. 'Cause you shift it all, make your way. The brain's an artist, let it paint your day.